Hey there, Excel enthusiasts! Ready to take your data visualization skills to the next level? Today, I'm going to show you how to create pivot charts in Excel. Pivot charts are powerful as they allow you to see trends and patterns on your data. So let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Excel workbook that contains the data you want to analyze. Then select any cell, then head over to Insert tab on the ribbon. Click on the pivot chart button. A box will pop up asking you to select a data range. Then choose where you want to place your pivot chart. You can open a new worksheet for better organization. Drag sales to your row area and sales amount to values area. Instantly, you'll see a pivot chart appear. To make it more interesting, let's add more fields. Try dragging the region field to the column area. Now your pivot chart shows sales data by sale by person and region. Click anywhere on your pivot chart to activate the chart tool on the ribbon under design. You can change the chart type to bar charts, column charts by clicking on chart type. You can also change colors and layouts to match your branding or presentation need. You can also use slices. Slices are interactive buttons that make filtering your data super easy. Go to Pivot Table, Analyze tab, click Insert Slicer and select the field you want to filter. Once added, you can click on these slicers to instantly update your pivot chart.
Want to make your data more interactive? Let's add a timeline to the pivot chart for dynamic data analysis. Start by selecting the data fields that you require. Here I'm selecting order date, order year, state, etc. Assigning these data fields to legend series and access categories, and also including sum of total under values. Once you assign these data fields, you will find that a chart is being formed on this data. Let's insert timeline on this chart. Click on Insert Timeline, select order date or ship date, and click on OK. Here you can see that a timeline is being formed on order date. You can view these timelines in months, days, years, and quarters. You can also change the color and style of the timeline. You can also adjust the height and width according to your needs. Try it now to make your data analysis more interactive.